I'm coming from Chison Medical Imaging. This is my company. I'm the president of Chison Medical. Our company is specializing in ultrasound research and development and sales and distribution worldwide. We are a professional ultrasound company, and we have been in the business for 18 years, since 1996. Okay, so currently our products are very popular in over 100 countries. Okay, and this time I'm very glad to meet more than 300 partners from all over the world during Medica. Okay, so you may wonder, there are so many ultrasound companies all over the world. How do we differentiate ourselves from the other ultrasound vendors? So this may come to the question, what is the vision of Chison? Yeah. So the vision of the Chison, as you can see, we call it value beyond the imaging. So whenever we try to invent a new product or bring a new product to the market, we always thinking, what is the actual value that we can create for our users? Okay, what is the value that we can bring to our partners? The challenge is actually not the technology itself. We always consider actually the challenge is that how to bring the technology in the right way to people, and what kind of value that behind the technology we can create. Okay, so for example, you may notice that nearby me, there's a tablet color Doppler system called a Sono Touch. This is a system really make us feel very proud of it. It's a tablet color Doppler system, but most importantly, this system actually opened a totally new world, enter to a new application. Because traditional ultrasound can be very big, so it's always like the patient go to the system instead of the system go to the patient because of the size. Now, our engineers have been working really hard to squeeze down the size, to reduce the energy consumption, but keep as much as possible the performance to pack in a small package like that. So people has been asking me why our company called it Chison. Okay, that goes back to a little bit of our history. Our founder actually, they are a group of engineers who are very passionate about technology development. Originally, they were from the underwater sonar detector development for the military industry. Later, because the civilization become more and more important than military, so they transfer that technology to the civilization product. And in China, as you know, that we have a very big population. Okay, so we think ultrasound technology can really benefit people's life. Okay, so Chison is from the name originally called Chinese Sonics, the abbreviation of Chinese and Sonics putting together Chison. And the Chinese brand name is called Xiangshen, which took the same pronunciation as Chison. Okay, so as a result, our mission is that we want to be the leading provider of ultrasound technology from China and also to the world. Okay, of course, currently we become a very internationally oriented company, as we have R&D development in USA, and we also have distribution channel globally around the world. But above all, we believe that the technology now development is going to a new trend, that the Asian-based companies are getting more and more, playing a more and more important role in the world market, including the medical industry. Okay, and China itself is also paying more and more attention to its medical service, medical technologies. So having this dream in our mind, being as a leading provider of medical ultrasound provider, really drive us to feel passionate every day. Okay, so we think there's still a long way to go to the future, but we definitely would welcome you to take a close look at our company for our growth, for our vision and our our future development. We consider in the future the ultrasound itself will not only be just the diagnostic tool, it should be becoming a very important tool to help doctors and physicians and even nurses, and even maybe future for family wives or elder persons to get health care and diagnosis or guidance much quicker and much easier, because there should be no limitation for people to knowing about themselves more easier than before. Nowadays, we know everything, but we don't know about ourselves. The ultrasound allows you to see not only the outside, but to see the inside. Not only to see the static, but also to see the moving and the magic of life. So when we think about this, it really makes us feel excited.